AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you Pictory AI, an AI tool that uses advanced algorithms to turn your ideas into stunning visuals. First, let's go to Pictory AI's website as you can see on my screen. Sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you can initiate your creative journey. Now, identify the type of visual content you want to create, whether it's a social media post, presentation slide, or any other project. They also provided a recommendation on whatever types of content you wanted to create. So right now, let's do the script to video, for example. Click the Proceed button. Now, all you have to do is give your video a title or the video name, and then the script will go over here. Well, if you don't have a script yet, you can use things like ChatGPT. In my case, since I already have the script, let's explore some of the settings that we need before we click the Proceed button. So for example, if you want the voiceover to highlight some text, you can select some text, and then you can click the Highlight button. So it is going to bold the text that you selected. Then right here is a scene setting, where you can also highlight a keyword automatically. You can also turn on and turn off the auto visual selection option. Since we're okay with the settings, let's go click the Proceed button. Well, depending on the size of the scripts, it will take a couple of minutes of loading. Now, it's going to bring us to the Pictory customization. Now you can do a lot of things here. So basically, as you can see, you have your video on the right side, and it says don't worry about the watermarks, it is only present in preview mode. It won't be included once you download the video. So, let's go back to the left side. You could make any changes in this part if you want to. If you make a mistake that you want to change, you can edit it here. As you can see, I clicked the Scene 2 part of the text, which basically shows the preview video on the right side. So, if ever you don't like the background of the second scene, we could go to the left side and click the visuals. As you can see, there are a lot of different clips. If you have decided what clip should be used, just click the actual clip, and it will automatically replace the background on that exact video. You don't really need to do drag and drop. Well, you can also search for the video that you want to use. Then let's go to audio. This is where we can select the background music in our video. As you can see, there are a lot of choices for us to use. You can also search for the music that you want to use when you think that's a good fit for your video. Also, you can select which type of voice you want to use to voiceover in your videos. Next, let's go to Style. This is where we can see the different styles of captions that we will use in our video. In my case, I will click this yellow caption. As you can see the results. Next is let's go to text. This is where you can add text to your video, whether you want to add a heading, subheading, and the body of the text. Next is custom branding. You can upload your own logo, for example. This is if you're doing it for your business, makes sense to have custom branding. Since we're doing it right now personally, we can jump onto the elements. As you can see, there are a lot of emojis and GIFs you can use to add some entertainment to your video. Lastly, let's go to the format. You can choose the sizes of the video that you want to download. You have 3 choices. The 16:9 for landscape, 9:16 for portrait, and 1:1 for square. And for the paid version, we can choose a 1080p resolution for our video. Once you're satisfied with the video, you can now click the download button at the upper right of the screen. After that, click the word video to download. Then it will take you here. Just wait the video to download and it's done. So, that's how to use the script to video part. So, now let's proceed to the article to video. This part is very similar to the script of the video. You could just copy and paste a URL of a website and it turns the URL into a video. Just similar as it turns the script into a video. This takes a blog post, a press release, or any HTML article and it turns into a video. Next, let's go to edit video using text. So here, all we have to do is to upload a video or audio. Once you upload the video or the audio, it will automatically add a transcription and subtitle when someone is speaking in the video. You can also remove silences. It can also automatically remove filler words. And this last one turns visuals into video. So we could give different clips that we made like short videos or existing images, and it will turn that into a finished product video. Just like script to video, as you can see its results. So that's all for today. Start using Pictory AI with the link below and discover more AI secrets at AIForceHub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels and let's continue to shape the future together.